Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in OPPO A78 smartphone. So the first and really easy method is just swipe down your three fingers like this to take a screenshot. This is to take a scrollable screenshot and this is to share it. Just slide down your three fingers like this to take a screenshot really quickly. Swipe down three fingers like this to take a screenshot really quickly. This is a really easy method to take a screenshot in OPPO A78 smartphone. And if we slide from top in notification center in helpful quick setting, here you can see screenshot. Tap on screenshot to take a screenshot like this. And the other method is if we press volume down and power key together like this, it will take a screenshot. Just press volume down and power key together like this to take a screenshot really quickly in OPPO A78 smartphone. And if you want to take a partial screenshot, here I will show you there are two methods available. First one is touch and hold your three fingers and release. And you can see drag to select a rectangle area, ellipse area, and freeform. Okay, now drag to select the area. And here we have also added feature available. This is markup, pixelate, crop to shape, and more added options are available. Now tap here to save it. And the second method is touch and hold your three fingers. Now slide down and after the area selection, release and tap here to save it. And if you want to take a long screenshot, here I will show you. The first method is touch and hold your three fingers. Now swipe down to the bottom. Okay, do it again. Touch and hold your three fingers. Now swipe down to the bottom. Okay, touch and hold your three fingers. Now swipe down to the bottom to take a long screenshot. Here you can see taking a scrolling screenshot. Swipe up or down, adjust the length of the screenshot, or it will auto scroll. So you can see already at the bottom of the page. Now tap on done to save the long screenshot. This is the longest screenshot took with OPPO A78 smartphone. And the other method is swipe down your three fingers like this and tap on scroll to take a long screenshot. You can see taking a scrolling screenshot, swipe up or down to adjust the length of the screenshot, or it will auto scroll. Now tap on done to save the long screenshot. So guys, this is the method to take a screenshot in OPPO A78 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.